Let's look at this open halo surround ring. It's made up of three parts: the Rhino ring shank, the open halo, the gemstone and claws. You can see the Rhino ring shank, the open halo, and the gemstone with claws. We'll discuss the overall way this definition is put together is described right here. You can stop the video and take your time to read this if you would like. But let's go to the Rhino ring shank. You see this on a number of our definitions. The Rhino ring shank can be changed to whatever size you want, and the gemstones follow. Here's a description of how the Rhino ring shank works. Pause to read. You can adjust the width. In this particular case, we have a taper in place where we can adjust the top, bottom, top to change the ring. If you don't want the taper, just pull the B-rep direct. That disconnects the taper from the coloring. You can go back in here. You can adjust the top, and you can put the mirror on. And by adjusting the top, you get a form of a split shank. If you adjust the bottom location, you can get a form of a crisscross ring. Play around with these and you can see what you can come up with. Go back to 0. Go back to 0. And you can change the profiles of all the different curves. Okay. Make it thicker on the bottom, wider on the bottom. That's the ring shank. The second part is the halo. Here's how we describe the halo. Pause the video to read. But the halo is basically made from a custom curve that has been internalized into this component. And that adjusts here. Now, if you want, you can take this, right-click it, and you can bake it. And now you have the geometry here. Now reset it, set one geometry. And now, if you want, you can take the individual edit points and adjust it, the input curve. You can create your own input curve here and internalize it in here. Once you're done playing with it, right-click and internalize the data before you save it. This way, this component will have that initial curve saved in place. The third and final part is the gemstone with claws. Here you can pick the gemstone shape and the claws will follow. You can adjust the size. You can increase the you can play with it to try to match what you require. Okay. Here you can add more claws. And you can adjust the diameter. you're going to adjust the length. That is the open halo surround. Thank you for watching.